Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. I'm here to share with you this adorable flip books that I made using greeting cards. It's just an idea on how you can recycle your greeting cards. To make this mini flip book, I used these greeting cards that I got from Savers. And you decide how many pages you want. This is very simple to make. You just grab the greeting cards and then you glue the pages together. So you're gonna glue these two together, and then you're gonna glue this other two pages together, and then keep going until you decide how many pages you want on your flip book, and then you decorate your flip book the way that you want. And the papers and the cut parts that I used on these flip books is from Faith by Simple Stories. So there's a lot of cool papers in here, and I love this paper pad. That's why I decided to create these flip books with this paper pad. So let's check it out, the mini flip book. So I covered the front part of the flip book with a black cardstock and a black cardstock on the back. And then on the sides is a red cardstock. And then I glue the cut parts on a piece of cardstock, and I glue in here. And before I glue this in here, I glue a piece of ribbon so I can close my book and stay closed. So here's how it is. So this one says, "Do all things in love." And I glue on a red cardstock, and then I glue on a light blue cardstock. You don't have to do this way. I could only use the red, but I decided to edit another cardstock on the bottom. And this one says, "I love Jesus." And this one says, "Hope, faith, love, and charity." And this one says, "I am a child of God." And this one, "Rejoice in his words." And this one, "He restores my soul." And right here, "Be still, and this home believes." So you decide how many pages you want. So this one, I end up having 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So it's thick because the two pages are glued together, and plus I added the cardstocks in both sides. So if you don't edit a ribbon, your book won't be able to close. So you need to edit a ribbon to close your book. At least my would not be able to close at all. So I have to pull pretty hard and tie a bow. And now I just can leave on a shelf where I can see this. I can use it as a decor. He's standing on his own. Never forget his love. I made this flip book with 4 cards, and right here on the cover I decided to glue this quote, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart." Right here I have a ribbon, and then I open my flip book, and then I have the left page and the right page right here. I glue the same paper with cut parts, and right here in the middle is the pink paper with the white flowers, and I glue a pocket right here. And then I have this quote that it's from the paper pad, "Be joyful in hope, faithful in prayer." And then I open these other 2 cards, and right here I have a pocket on my right side and a pocket on my left side. And the gift tags I made with the paper, and comes with 2 papers that have all these words, love, hope, faith. And then I decided just to cut and glue to make gift tags with them. And in the middle, right here on the bottom, is the same paper as this one right here. And then I glued this quote on the top. So it says, "When life gives you more than you can stand, kneel." And right here on the back is another pocket that I made, and more tags. And this is from the cut parts, and I turned them into gift tags. This one says, "Love one another." This one is "Stand tall," and this one, "Faith." And this flip book you can use as a mini album if you want. Right here on the back, I just glue another cut part, says "Pray hours," and I can write in here for what I want to pray for. and it's just a great idea. So stay tuned to my channel if you want to see how I made it, because I will make one for Christmas. So like this video if you like it, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!